What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you can see right here, Bitcoin has remained very volatile. Can't lie. We could see the spikes, and honestly speaking, I do not even know what to say. I don't know what to say, because over to the daily right here, we are still looking very much bearish. If you look at it from the daily, from a wider time frame, you could see we're still looking very much bearish. And right now, looking at the situation of things, I really do not have much to say other than the fact that, okay, we might be at a level of support right here, because obviously, if you can look at this right here, you could see that there is some level of support around this level right here. So obviously, I can say maybe we are at a level of support. If we're going to be breaking below this level at 73,264 or $5, we are most likely going to be pulling back. So the fact that there is a lot of spikes going on right here, there's a lot of week going on right here, it's that we are able to find support around here, rally all the way to this resistance. Maybe we get a resistance around that level. If we're going to be breaking out, fine. If we're not getting a move like this, then we are most likely going to be breaking below this major level. But we could probably rally up a little bit, break below major support, retest at 73,260, dump all the way to $70,448. So I think if this doesn't play out, then we have to look at it from the other perspective right here, whereby you could see that if you've been watching my videos on Bitcoin, you would realize that I've made it known to us that we are probably going to be hitting this major level right here of support at 72,700, and you could see we hit that 2 days ago, and even yesterday we hit that. And with the look of things right here, it seems we are finally bouncing from this major level at 72,700. Maybe we are going to be breaking out of this resistance, I do not know. But if I should dive straight to the 4 hours time frame, you could see that we are trying so much to break above this major resistance right here at 73,800. So maybe we could break out of this level. All we need is to find support at 73,800 before we rally all the way into our next major resistance, which is $75,000. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting based on this chart right here, which is obviously the last Bitcoin chart that I have. You could see clearly right here that if I should take all of this away from here, we are actually trying as much as we can to reclaim this major level right here above $75,000, just like what I said on the previous chart. So if we can't break above this level, we could still rally all the way to $5,000, and we could get rejected from we could still rally all the way to $75,000, get rejected from $75,000 all the way down to probably $71,000. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right now. Looking at the whole USDT dominance right here, you could see the USDT dominance is still following my playbook, and you could see right here we are mostly retesting this major level right here we broke out of. We'll retest all the way to 7.534, and we're going to be rallying much higher from there if things are not going according to the way things are supposed to. Because if you look at the whole situation right now in the market, you could see everything right now is getting serious. You could see the Iran's foreign minister Arakshi says he had productive call with Oman's foreign minister, expressed Iran's solidarity with Oman in face of many threats. So you can see right here, Iran's foreign minister, we discussed Hormuz and its future administration in line with our sovereign responsibility and international laws. So at the end of the day, nothing is talking about peace. Nothing is talking about peacemaking, de-escalation. Everything right now is still looking more escalated. Nothing to hold on to that, okay, this war will come to an end right now. So looking at the situation of things, I think looking at even crude oil on the other hand is still looking very bearish, which is actually good for risk on assets. But this doesn't change the fact that, okay, the situation in the Middle East has settled. No, nothing is calm, nothing has settled. So we are most likely going to just expect the worst case scenario, honestly, because even the stocks right now, the stocks are still doing massively well. If you look at the stock from the daily, like I said, the stock S&P 500 will most likely rally all the way to $7,675. Once we get rejected from there, we are probably going to be heading much lower, or we could still rally above that level, maybe get a little bit of fake out before dumping. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from the market. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.